How to make a Lloyds Bank account under 18. To open a Lloyds Bank account if you're under 18, follow these steps. You need to be between 11 to 17 years old. Lloyds Bank offers the under 19s account, designed for those under 18. You'll need proof of identity, passport, birth certificate, or UK provisional driving license. And proof of address, recent utility bill, bank statement, or a letter from your school or college. If you're 11 to 15 years old, you'll need to visit a branch with a parent or guardian. Both of you should bring ID. If you're 16 to 17 years old, you can apply online or in a branch. Once the account is open, you can register for Lloyds online and mobile banking to manage your money digitally. Thanks for watching.